Hello friends, today we're going to discuss about how we can convert SolidWorks file into HTML file. So let's move into SolidWorks, and this is a file for the one specs file. So we're going to convert this specs file into HTML file. Okay, let's do it. So first we need to save it into eDrawing file. So just selected the eDrawing file. So you must go top up through and come here eDrawing.easm file and go to desktop. I refer to desktop. You can save it anywhere and share the file. So first thing you check this and check this 214 default is okay. The setting is okay. Okay. You can protect password also in the file if you want, but that is better to don't protect. But if you wanted to provide some client, then you can protect by password. So this is a file. Okay, going to open in eDrawing. See, the same file will be coming here, a file, and next you need to convert this file to HTML. It's very simple. Just go to the file, save as, and click the two HTML file. Click Beam HTML file, HTML, and save as. So that's require a little time to save, and file is saved right now. So we're going to be this file is a HTML file. We're going to open with Chrome. So okay, file will be coming. Same. You feel here the completely browser like a same like you working on a server. This is the home and this is the provide the little animation of your files for the better representation of a particular product. So that's the good and other things you can change perspectives and different things of your product, and here you can change view. We're going to asymmetric view. You can change here wireframe, solid, and similar. It's full screen. You can go for the full screen, and here you can select it like these are parts. Okay, and you can hide, you can show, and you can transport solid, similar like a server. Same you can do with hide. So these are functions similar with, and here you can extend the parts, and here this is the very quiet function, good, very good function. You will find more interesting this particular one. This is explode view of your system. How much exploded view you want, you can control from here, and you can do as well animation in parallel. Okay, let's do it, stop it, and again you can come up there, and this is just different view. You can X view, Y, XY, top view, and this is a section view of a different detailed section view of your product. See, you can move, and you can move anywhere like this particular things, and you can do this. If you understand this particular phenomenon, you can go this section view. So thank you very much guys watching for that tutorial. It's very helpful. Please like and subscribe.